Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dubbz token. Now the Dubbz token just got listed recently on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Dubbz token. So Dubbz is the name of the token, D-U-B-B-S, and that is also the ticker symbol. Just got listed on CoinGecko, like I said. There is a warning, though, at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about investing in this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So when there's warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract and change things like that. So thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. Now, Dubbz.com is their official webpage. You can find that listed on CoinGecko along with the price chart, contract address, their Etherscan, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Instagram. All those are listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, there's a couple different ways to get this token here. You can get it off of, actually, this is a cross-chain token. So there's two different ways to get this token. This is on the Ethereum blockchain, and this is also on the Polygon blockchain, the MEXC blockchain. So you can get the Ethereum token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Dubbz token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan. You can find it most likely at Dubbz.com. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage. Now, same thing if you wanted to buy the Polygon MEXC token, except you would fund your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with MEXC, and then you would use an app called QuickSwap instead of Uniswap and trade your MEXC for the Dubbz token that way. So yeah, Uniswap and QuickSwap are the ways to get this token here. I don't see any central exchange listings as of yet listed here on CoinGecko. Now the price today is 41.6 cents per token. It's actually down 6% today. It's not doing so hot today, but you never know what will happen with crypto here. So if you head over to their official webpage, Dubbz.com, it'll take you to Dubbz.com/token. Over there is a full white paper that you can download. It looks like it is a decent-sized white paper, 31 pages long. It talks about the gaming world, Web3. So Dubbz is the merging of traditional and Web3 gaming, a bridge and accelerator to blockchain-based gaming. Dubbz brings blockchain-based wagering to AAA titles such as Call of Duty, FIFA, Fortnite, and more. 24/7 available referees and players' recordings ensure that cheating has no place on the Dubbz platform. The Dubbz Web3 gaming marketplace will merge traditional AAA titles and blockchain-based games into the same platform and give blockchain games the closer to even playing field it needs to help drive adoption. Traditional gamers without exposure to Web3 and cryptocurrency will feel comfortable using Dubbz. There is no overwhelming interface to force feed Web3 to alienate traditional gamers. Dubbz will provide a platform for game developers to list their blockchain-based games for free to charge on our marketplace. The Dubbz team will work with game developers to integrate our dApp into the game and provide monetization and exposure to their product. Players will be able to use their existing Dubbz balance in-game, eliminating the need for a player to have separate tokens for each title. Sustainably, it is the essence of Dubbz and monetization methods that'll be rooted in player versus player wagering, no token dilution, or the need to constantly bring fresh influx of players to keep the earnings valuable. The message from Dubbz to Web3 game developers is simple. Build a good game and Dubbz will take care of the rest. So they have here their own social platform. It says some of the games that they're going to be focusing on in the game category includes FIFA, Madden, NBA 2K, Call of Duty Vanguard, COD Warzone 2.0, Fortnite, Hearthstone, League of Legends, CSGO, and COD MW2. So they have here a social hub for all things gaming. The Dubbz platform goes far beyond with social features including chats, friend requests, leaderboards, game statistics, and more. The Dubbz Social Hub strives to become as vibrant and huge as a community as the likes of PlayStation Network and Xbox Live, but with far more benefits for its user base. Dubbz will be a fully fledged social experience geared towards interaction, competition, and having serious amounts of fun, making Dubbz a cherished destination rather than a mere service. So yeah, there's going to be tournaments, there's going to be live streaming, avatars and NFTs. So blockchain gaming portal integration is going to be involved here. Rewards for players, Dubbz dividend system, and referral incentives. So yeah, the Dubbz lifetime referral program, leveraging the community. So you can go over all these things in more depth, obviously, on their white paper. It's very, very lengthy white paper, very tiny print here. So if we scroll down here, there's going to be tournaments. So there's 4% tax on every purchase and 6% tax on every sale. And that will be going to the fund the operations wallet. So you may have to set slippage if you are going to buy these tokens. So it's probably going to be around 4 and 6 for slippage. Actually, okay, sorry. No, now it says somewhere else here there is a different tax. Never mind. So that is just for operations. Okay, so there's even more tax. There's 3% extra for liquidity and another 1% for liquidity on sales. So it's a total of 7% tax on buys and sells. And it's split up basically between liquidity and operations. So you're going to have to set your slippage somewhere around 7% when buying this token. There is a total supply of 10 million tokens, and it's split up between centralized exchange listings, liquidity, and team. And that's basically about it. Now, you can read more in depth about this token if you head over to Dubbz.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Dubbz? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.